Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were doing revision of our chapter number 9, which is halves and quarters. So the first question for today is, write the fraction whose numerator and denominator are as under. Now first recall what is numerator and denominator. If we write a fraction as 2 by 3. So in this fraction, 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So we have to write fraction for these numerator and denominator. So let's see the solution. The first one is in which numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. So the fraction will be 4 upon 9. This. Or we can write it as 4 by 9. This is the same as this one. Now the second is numerator is 2, denominator is 7. That is 2 by 7. Or we can write it as 2 by 7. Okay. Next is numerator is 5 and denominator is 6. Or we can write it as this. Next is numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. So 3 upon 8, or we can write it as this. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2 is, write the fraction for the following. Now we have to write the fraction for given these terms. So let's see how we have to write. So the first one is 1/7. 1/7 means the first number will be in numerator and 7th means 1 part of 7. So we have to write it as 1 upon 7. Next is 5/8 means 5 part of 8 means 5 upon 8. Next is 3/9 means 3 part of 9. So we can write it as 3 upon 9. Next is 6/10 means 6 part of 10. So we can write it as 6 upon 10. So this is it for 2. Now let's see the next question. Question number 3. We have given few fractions and we have to write them in ascending order. So see, we can see in all these numbers, the denominator is same, right? In all these parts, denominator is same. So we have to focus only on the numerator and we have to place them according to the ascending order of numerator. Let's see how we have to do it. For example, in the first one, we have given 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5 and 5 by 5. So as denominator is same, so we have to focus only on numerator. So numerators are 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 2, 3, 4 and 5, this is the ascending order for numerator. Now we have to place 5 in their denominator. So it will become 2 upon 5, then 3 upon 5, then 4 upon 5 and at the end we have 5 upon 5. So this is the ascending order for the A part. Now the same thing we have in B part. We have same denominator which is 16. So we have to focus only on numerator. So numerators are 5, 11, 6 and 8. Now we have to place them in ascending order. So the order is 5, 6, 8 and 11. Now we have to place 16 in their denominator. So this is the ascending order for these fraction. Now the third one is, we have denominator 8 in all the 4 fractions. So we have to focus only on numerator which are 1, 4, 7 and 3. Now place them according to their ascending order. So it will be 1, 3, 4, 7. Now place 8 in its denominator. So it will become like this. So this is the ascending order for this fraction. Now the last one is, we have 9 in the denominator and numerator are 5, 3, 6 and 1. So place them according to the ascending order. So it will be 1, 3, then we have 5, then we have 6. Now we have to place 9 in the denominator. So this is the ascending order for these fractions. That means if we have same denominator, so we have to focus only on the numerator and we have to place them according to the ascending order of numerator, as you can see on all these parts. Okay. Now the next question is also based on the same thing, but here we have to place them in ascending order. So you can see the denominator is same in second part also, in third one also, and in the last one also. So that means to place these fractions in descending order, we have to focus only on numerator and we have to place them according to the descending order of numerator. So let's see how we have to solve it. So the first part is, we have 5, 8, 1 and 9 in denominator. Now place them according to the descending order of numerator. So it will be 9, 8, 5, then 1. Now place their denominator, which is 15. So it will become the descending order for these fractions. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's see the another question also. We have 1, 5, 3 and 2 in numerator. Now place them according to their descending order. So it will be 5, 3, 2, 1. And now place their denominator, which is 6. So it will become 5 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. So this is the descending order for these fraction. Now the next one is, we have 2, 1, 6 and 5 in numerator. Place according to their descending order. So it will be 6, 5, 2 and 1. Now place their denominator, which is 7. So it will be 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7 and 1 by 7. So this is the descending order for these fraction. Now the last part is, we have 3, 15, 5 and 11. Write according to their descending order. So it will be 15, 11, 5 and 3. Now place their denominator, which is 18. So it will be 15 by 18, 11 by 18, 5 by 18 and 3 by 18. So this is the descending order for these fraction. Okay. So if we have the same denominator, so we have to focus only on the numerator. Okay. Now let's see the next part or next question. Question number 5. We have to find their value. So the first one is 3 by 4 of rupees 44. Now let's see how we have to solve it. So you can see here, of, in place of we have to place multiplication sign. So it will become 3 by 4 multiplying with rupees 44. Now you can see 3 will multiply with 44. So it will become 132. So we have to divide 132 with 4. So 4 multiplying with 3 gives us 12. When we minus 12 from 13, we have 1 as remainder. Then we take this 2 down, so it will become 12. Again 4 multiplying with 3 will be 12. Now we have nothing in remainder, so our answer is 44. So 3/4 of rupees 44 is rupees 33. Now the next part is 1 by 7 of rupees 63. Now let's see how we have to solve it. 1 by 7 of rupees 63 means in place of we have to write multiplication. Then 1 will multiply with 63, so it will become 63 divided by 7. Now we have to divide 63 with 7, so we all know that 7 multiplying with 9 gives 63. So that means our answer is 9. So 1 upon 7 of rupees 63 is rupees 9. Next part is 1 by 3 of 3 kg. Now we have to find answer in gram. So first we have to convert this 3 kg into gram. So let's see how we have to solve it. So 1 by 3 of 3 kg. First we have to convert this 3 kg into gram. So it will become 3 multiplying with 1000. So it will become 3000 gram. Now in place of we have to place multiplication sign. Then 1 will multiply with 3000. So it will become 3000 divide with 3. Okay, now we have to divide 3000 with 3. So when we divide 3000 with 3, so it will be 1 for 3. 3 multiplying with 1 gives us 3. When we minus 3 with 3, it will be 0. Now for this 0, we have to place 0 here. For another 0 also, and for the last one also. Okay, so our answer is 1000 in gram. Now if we have to convert this answer in kg, that means in kilogram. So we all know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. Now the last part is 2 by 3 of 45. Now let's see how we have to solve it. 2 by 3 of 45, in place of we have to place multiplication sign. Now this 2 will multiply with 44, so it will become 90. Now here we have to divide 90 with 3. So when we divide 90 with 3, so for 3 multiply with 3, we will get 9. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. Now for this 0, we have to place a 0 here. Now we have nothing in remainder, so our answer is 30. So that means 2 by 3 of 43 is 30. Okay. So class, these all are few questions we did as revision related to chapter number 9, which is halves and quarters. In our next video, we will do further thing in revision. So thank you for today.